How to change text-to-speech voice on TikTok. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Also, don't forget to check the description box as you'll find some great offers and amazing giveaways that you might be interested in. With that said, let's get started. So, let's go ahead and open up TikTok.
وبالاخير شنو قال الله سبحانه وتعالى؟
And let's click to add video. Let me quickly record short video. Okay, let's click to continue, and let's click to add text. Now, as you might know, the text-to-speech voice on TikTok is a woman's voice. So let's hear it.
Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone.
Okay, let me stop that. Now, say for example, you want to change this voice to a male's voice. Now, you need to know that TikTok, as of right now, does not have an option or feature for that. However, there's an easy way or workaround that we can use, which will give us different voices. And that option is to actually change the language of the voice. So let's go ahead and type in a text using other language, for example. Let me just type this. Let's hear the voice.
Bonjour, ça va bien. Bonjour, ça va bien. Bonjour, ça va bien.
Let's type in another text. Say for example in Spanish.
¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás?
Now, as you can see, different languages have different voices for some reason, and yeah, that's how you can change the voice. That's the only way to do so as of right now, but maybe TikTok will come up with such a feature or option in the future, who knows. So that was it for this video. That's how you can change the text-to-speech voice on TikTok. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.